Alright, let's get right into it. You hit a nice streak, the cards were hot, the dice were rolling your way. Now you're thinking, hey, can I use this cash to buy a house? Can you get a mortgage with gambling income? The short answer, yes. The slightly longer, more realistic answer, yes. If you've been playing the long game and not just hitting a one-time jackpot, it's possible, folks, but it's not a walk in the park. It's more like trying to explain TikTok trends to your grandparents. You need a strategy, you need patience, and you definitely need a whole lot of paperwork. Think about it from the bank's perspective. They're the dealer in this game, and they do not like to lose. They want to see a sure thing, a steady paycheck from a 9-to-5 job. That's like a royal flush to them. It's safe, predictable, easy to understand. Your poker winnings? That looks more like a wild card. It could be an ace, or it could be a 2 of clubs. Lenders get nervous when they can't predict your next move. So getting them to say yes is all about turning that wild card into something that looks as reliable as a Tuesday. So don't get discouraged just yet. I'm here to walk you through it. We're going to break down what these lenders are looking for, what you need to do and what you absolutely should not do. It's like getting a backstage pass to the world of mortgage lending. You're going to see how the magic happens. So why are lenders so darn picky? It's all about one word: stability. Imagine you lent your friend $100. You'd feel better if they had a steady job, right? Not if they said, I'll pay you back if I win the lottery next week. Banks are the same, just with a lot more zeros. They need to be sure you can make those mortgage payments every single month, and for years and years. They have their own bosses, investors, government agencies, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, who set the rules. Those rules are all about minimizing risk. Gambling income, by its very nature, screams risk. The first thing they'll ask for? Your tax returns. This is non-negotiable. If you haven't been declaring your winnings to Uncle Sam, you can just stop right here. Seriously, lenders use your tax returns as the official scorecard for your income. They want to see what you filed on your Schedule C as a self-employed professional gambler. They're looking at your net income, total winnings minus your total losses, that final number. If it's not on the tax return, in their eyes, it doesn't exist. Next up is consistency. This is huge. A single massive jackpot win is amazing. Congratulations. Buy a car, go on a vacation. But you can't use it to qualify for a mortgage. Lenders will see that as a one-time event, a fluke. They need to see a pattern. They're looking for at least 2 years, that's 24 months of consistent, reported net income from your gambling activities. They want to see that last year's income is similar to the year before. This shows them you have a track record and that your income isn't just a flash in the pan. And finally, they're going to put your bank statements under a microscope. They want to see regular deposits that line up with the income you're claiming. Big, random cash deposits are a huge red flag. They want to see a clean, clear trail of money that makes sense. If your bank statements look like a chaotic mess, they're going to get nervous and back away slowly. It's all about creating a picture of a stable, responsible professional, not a reckless hobbyist. Okay, let's talk about building your case. What do you need in your championship binder to get that approved stamp? First and foremost, you need your tax returns, not just 1 year, at least 2 full years of filed federal tax returns, complete with that Schedule C showing your business, income, and expenses as a professional gambler. This is the foundation of your entire application. Without it, you're not even in the game. It proves you're treating this as a serious profession and are on the right side of the law. Next, pristine, beautifully organized bank statements for every account you have. Lenders want at least 2 to 3 months, sometimes more, to verify assets and cash flow. Deposits should tell a story that matches your tax returns. Irregular large cash deposits are a no-go. If you're a poker player, they may want to see transfers from the poker site to your bank. The cleaner, more logical the money trail, the better your chances. Supporting documentation. Get ready for a paper palooza. Lenders may ask for detailed logs of your wins and logs of your losses, player statements from casinos or online platforms, anything else that can back up your claims. Section 4. Common fouls and red flags to avoid. Alright, now for the fun part. What not to do. These are the common mistakes that will get your mortgage application denied faster than you can say all in. The biggest mistake by far is trying to use gross winnings. I won $100,000 last year, but they forget to mention they also lost $70,000. Lenders only care about your net income, what's left after losses. Another classic blunder is thinking cash is king. It's not in the mortgage world. Lenders need to source and season all funds, know where it came from and see it's been there a while. Unverifiable cash deposits look sketchy and can trigger all sorts of anti-money laundering alarms. Don't even think about hiding things. Don't hide a bad month. Don't hide a few losses. Don't try to make your income look more stable than it is. Lenders and their underwriters are financial detectives, and they will find it. They verify everything. If they catch you being less than truthful, it's an automatic denial. Worse, it could be considered mortgage fraud. Finally, a huge foul is not preparing ahead of time. This is a 2-year plan, minimum. Start now, get organized, and plan your path to homeownership like the pro you are. Section 5, the final hand. How to play to win. So here we are. The final table. What's the takeaway? It's this. Getting a mortgage with gambling income is tough, but it's absolutely not impossible. The key is to stop thinking like a gambler and start acting like a business owner. Your business is professional gambling and you need the books to prove it. Documentation, consistency, stability. The size of your wins matters less than the steady, predictable pattern of your net income over a long period. Your action plan starts today, on April 16, 2026. Get your house in order, literally. Start keeping meticulous records. Every single win, loss, file your taxes correctly. Keep your bank accounts clean and easy to follow. Build that 2-year history of stable, provable net income. Most big banks may pass. Seek out a mortgage broker or a lender with non-traditional income experience. Be upfront from the first conversation. Here's my situation. My income is from professional gambling. I have 2 years of returns. Can you help me? The right pro will know exactly what to do. You can do this.